How to fix Instagram black background. Hello guys, so first thing you wanna do is open the settings, go to the apps manager, go to Instagram, and now you have to click on this force stop option to stop the app from running in the background of your phone. And after that you have to go down, click on this storage right here, click on this clear data, clear cache. After that, go back, click on data usage, and make sure to disable the background data right here, and make sure that all those three options here are enabled. Go back. Now you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, and update your Instagram right there if there is a new update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end.